Hey everyone, Matthew Lee here from Shouldit, and we're back with another entry in the Shouldit Waffle Maker series. Today, we are cracking open the Cuisinart WAF-F40NAS, a flip-style double Belgian waffle maker from one of the more established names in kitchen appliances out there. We'll unbox the unit, run through what it packs in, share some early thoughts on build quality, and figure out where it lands on value for your kitchen. Let's get into it. Here's the WAF-40. So here's everything that was in the box for the F40NAS. You got the instructions manual as well as an aluminum drip tray, that should go under the baking chamber. So whenever you have some excess batter inside and it spills out, this tray is going to catch the drippings. You also get a plastic measuring cup for pouring your waffle batter. As for the waffle maker itself, there are not many notable features on this unit. As for the waffle maker itself, it's made from stainless steel and with a plastic base. The stainless steel construction is very similar to the old Cuisinart that we've had a couple of months earlier. This one comes at the front with a slider that will help you control the browning for your waffle. It does not have any notches or levels, so this I expect is going to be this is going to need some experimentation basically. At the front you have the power indicator. I expect that when I plug in the waffle maker, this strip is going to light up, and on the waffle maker proper, you have two indicator lights. These are two green ready lights that will turn on when the baking chambers reach the correct temperature. And of course, you also have the 180-degree rotating mechanism. And on the inside, you have non-stick waffle plates. With that said, let's put this waffle maker to the test. First thing first, I'm going to plug it in. There's a chime. And for this particular test, I'm going to use a batch of homemade waffle batter. And as for the browning setting, I'm going to use it's about 3/4 the way to the top. Now I expect that when this ready light turns on, we should be ready to make a waffle. It takes about 6 minutes 45 seconds for the waffle maker to be ready. But since it's a double model, this is kind of to be expected. We're going to prepare 2 waffles at the same time, just to see how consistent. That's one. The second one. So this is after about 6 minutes, about the same amount of time that it takes to preheat. See what we have. It looks absolutely awesome in my opinion. It has an equal amount of light and dark brown spots, and even the dark brown spots don't look charred. I would say that this qualifies as a perfect score in my opinion. The top is nice and crispy, but the bottom, it looks like it has some way to go. It's still got a way to go. But overall, I feel like this waffle is edible. Let's try the bottom one. Same for the bottom one, because we didn't put a lot of batter in here. As you can see, so there's some deformation in the waffle structure, but the top is nice and browned. See the bottom one. The bottom one is decently cooked. It's still a very light color, but I feel like just like the first one, is edible. You hear that? That is the sound of the crust of these waffles. Despite the very light colored bottom, this waffle has excellent textures. This is exactly what I was hoping for when I put the batter into this waffle. Of course, everyone's palate is different. Some people will like it softer, some people will like it crispier, but for me, this is just about as perfect as a waffle can be. So where does the Cuisinart F40NAS lands on value? At this price, the feature list holds up very, very well. The 180-degree flip design, 5-setting browning dial, and 1400-watt heating element all work in its favor, and the PFAS-free ceramic non-stick plates keep cleanup very painless. But unlike my first impressions of the waffle maker, I noticed that there is actually a browning level indicator, which is in the power light strip here. It progressively lights up the higher you go. The bigger double plate footprint also eats up more counter and cabinet space than a single waffle unit, so that's a factor if your kitchen runs tight. So that's our unboxing and first impressions of the Cuisinart WAF-F40NAS wrapped up. Our full review is coming soon, where we'll put it through more demanding testing. Interested in grabbing the Cuisinart F40NAS? There's an Amazon link in the description below. And if you find this unboxing helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and consider supporting Shouldit so we can keep putting out thorough, unbiased product evaluations. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.